Get back here with that! You little thief! Give it back! Stop struggling, you!
I didn't steal it!
Liar! This'll teach you!
I had to. My kittens are hungry.
Your kittens? What are you doing here?
I was just so hungry.
I see, you were desperate.
Yes.
Here, take this food.
Oh, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Now head on home.
I will. Thank you.
Close. We are almost safe. You went behind my back again.
I was trying to help.
Help? You made it worse.
I'm sorry.
Hey, who threw that? Hey there, little one. I have something sweet for you. Look, a shiny candy. Want to be friends? Hey there, little one. I have something sweet for you. Look, a shiny candy. Want to be friends?
Wow, another one. Someday I'll be behind that wheel. Just you wait.
Huh? What's that over there? Wow, an old car! I'm going in! Awesome! This dude?
Whoa, a cat driving a car! Whoa, a dog! Phew, that was close!
Boom, son!
Need a hand?
Oh, thank you. These bags are heavy. Hop in. I'll drive you.
I did it! My dream has come true! Now everyone calls me the driving cat.
Just like that.
Butch announces a small gymnastics competition. I'll sign up. A fox in gymnastics? Thank you, everyone! Let's move these planks across the bridge now.
You got it, boss!
Crane's ready, hook is swinging in.
Clear the path!
Whoa! I'm good. Let's finish this bridge, team. The bridge is complete. Let the crossing begin. We did it! All right, team, let's get this site moving. Watch that foundation, it's critical. All right, team, let's check the specs. Looks solid. Time to move out. All right, team, let's pour and smooth this asphalt. You got it, boss. Perfect, keep it even. Whoops. All right, back to work. And bravest bicycle hero.
Whee! This is fun!
Hold on tight.
Look at the trees!
We'll be there soon.
Watch out! Oh my gosh! Are you okay?
We're okay, sweetie, thank you.
Are you all right? I'll call for help right away.
Holding hands.
Need a hand with that fence?
Yes, please. We can't lift it.
Got it. There we go.
Thank you.
Golden crops ready for harvest. A fine harvest indeed. Hard work pays off.